I slept with my 17-year-old cousin at a family reunion. I never realized how hot my cousin was until now. I'm 21 years old and I'm currently in university. My campus is roughly a 2-hour drive away from my hometown, and because of my extensive education plan, I don't get to come home very often. Last month I was able to come home for a big family reunion that we have been planning for months. I had not seen a lot of my distant relatives for a while, so it was nice to catch up with everybody. There was one person that stood out amongst the rest. My cousin, who I hadn't seen in 5 years, and to say the least she had changed drastically. I approached her and started a conversation, and within minutes I could tell that she was attempting to flirt with me. Unfortunately, my morals didn't kick in right away, and I continued to flirt with my 17-year-old cousin for the remainder of the night. I couldn't break the thought of how attractive she was, and when my mom brought up the idea for all of the cousins to catch up at my parents' house after the gathering, I was all for it. Upon arriving at my old house, it was prominent that my cousin wasn't planning on leaving my side. She followed me everywhere, and when I went to my room to debrief, she was right there with me. One thing led to another, and next thing I knew I was fully into my cousin. Am I in the wrong for this?